Okay, round two.
Look.
Mmm.
Jeez. Like it looks like he's gonna throw up.
Yeah, it looks like he's heaving it.
What are you doing? It's just rice cereal, buddy. Oh my god.
How'd that taste? Not so good, huh?
Look.
Ugh, it's like disgusted.
It's just like formula, just a little bit thicker. I mean, that's what's in here. It's formula. You want some more?
Feeding them like fish or something.
I know. Here's a little tiny bit.
How is it?
Oh my god.
Ugh.
Hey. What's wrong?
It's all
Try
right.
a little more?
Oh.
Try a little more. If you don't like this, we'll give you your bottle then.
What you think that time was gonna be?
I don't know. No? Okay. All right.
Oh well, next time.
We'll get you your bottle. Okay. We'll get your bottle. Let me get his bottle.
Hey, bud. What was so horrible about that? Huh?